Hey sweeties, it's Samantha with Sammy Sense, and I'm coming at you today with a video of what I ordered versus what I received. Because I ordered me some hair from AliExpress, and you know, when you order you some hair from AliExpress, you just don't know. It came in February and it's May. What's today? May 7th, May 8th? May 8th, I think, because it's Saturday. It's supposed to be a wig with bangs with a little color on it. I'm gonna try to insert a picture over here so you can see what I'm supposed to get. Let's go ahead and open this stuff up and see what I got. So, make sure I ain't got no little gifts. You know, sometimes they be putting little lashes or a wig cap. So far, I ain't got that. So, make sure my address is on. Oh, it does come with the wig cap. Alright, so JRX, you are the queen. And then it comes with the wig cap that's in here. And of course, the little Ziploc bag. So that's cute. So the wig cap is inside the little bag. And this is it's a nice little bag. I love saving these, like the ones you get from like Shein and stuff. I love saving these bags. So, ooh, okay. Oh, it's something else in here. Okay, they gave you some little lashes. How cute. I never end up wearing these. The wig cap and then the lashes. So that's a good little plus. Because I ain't gonna wear the lashes anyway. Yeah, I am getting me some lashes done. I'm trying to film it at least the before and after, but I am excited about that because as you see, I don't have many lashes. They're not long anyway. So, okay. All right, so the hair, I just opened it up. It was in here. First glance, the hair looked dry just out the bag, but it just may be the light in here right now. Let's took the net off. And this is what it looks like. The color's there. It's not a bad wig from what I can see. Y'all see that? Let her have her shine. So it's not a bad wig, especially if you put some mousse on it or some kind of product to give it some life. Okay. I saw some reviews on it and some people that wear it. I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna like this. But this so far, it looks cute. I can't see y'all, so I am about to get right up on this camera so I can get some light. But it comes with the 2 clips in the front, and then of course it has the elastic bands to where you can, if you got a big head or small, you can adjust the strap, and then a clip in the back. And it does have a clip in the middle too. Yeah, I may end up adding an elastic band if it may not fit my head. I don't know, but if it does need an elastic, I probably got some elastic somewhere around here. I can just sew it on there. Sew it from here. Probably like sew it from like right here to right here. Just put a little band down to make it fit if it needs to. But with my sister locks, what I want to do is somehow get this flat either by 2 twists or 2 braids, or just braid them straight back. Probably gonna have my mom braid my hair back or whatever. Somehow get it back. Just get it flat, and then I'm going to, I think I'm gonna wash his hair too. I definitely need to wash his hair because it's crump. It's, you know. So I'm gonna wash his hair first. Y'all, this hair does feel good. Ain't no shedding. Y'all see me, this is fresh out the bag. And it's not shedding. I just felt one little strand on my leg. So I can take that. It's not, because you know sometimes when you get hair it just be you can tell like that hair is just not good. But this, okay, this is I don't know, but I will put it either in the description box below, or I'll put it on the screen somewhere what kind of hair this is. But it is curly hair, and it has bangs. I don't know the length of it, but it is kind of short because I don't want nothing too long, so it is kind of short. Of course, I did get the bangs because I didn't want to have to do anything that would have my edges out, because as you can see, I need a retie, y'all. Number one, don't come for me. But I just didn't want anything to have my edges out. I didn't tell you how much I paid for it. I think I paid $48 for that hair, and I know it's virgin Remy. But anyway, I think this is the end of this video. Got my leopard nightcap on, and I will see y'all on the next video. Peace. My senses, when I'm blessed with your presence, stimulate my mental and my physical as you speak pleasure into my existence.